ordinary water, a bottle.
Water, a bottle?
Bottle of water. Okay. And it doesn't have anything inside. Look at the bottom too. Nothing is inside. Just regular water that I just opened. Warm water because it was in my garage. Then I have this ordinary cup that there's nothing in it. Now, how about we make this water into this cup grape juice? Become grape juice. Ta-da!
Oh, wow.
Grape
Wow, that was cool.
juice. Nothing inside. But it's not over yet because
That was cool,
Wait,
Abby.
I need to take this back.
How did you do that? That was cool.
We'll slow that down. Okay, so I have another glass that I already made before this thing started.
Put that down, Quentin. Don't drink it.
Quentin,
Just
test it. Does it taste like real grape juice? This is the one I just made.
Yes, it does.
Thumbs up if it tastes like real grape juice. That is how I turn real water into grape juice.
Good job. Bailey, our dog here, went for staple removal back on Monday, was it? Tuesday. Because he had a growth on his leg and some other places, and they removed it 2 weeks ago, and they stapled him up. And then we went Tuesday to get him removed, and just realized that the veterinarian forgot one staple right there. So it looks like we're going to have to go back to the vet to get that one staple removed. You feeling good though, buddy? This is a lampshade dog. He's wearing a lampshade because he licks his wounds too much. So we have to wear a lampshade until it's all cleared up. Ready?
I have fake glasses on. Show them. Look, magic. I can put my. Oh yeah.
Show your henna tattoo. Let's get this out of the way. Come on. There you go.
And
Right
then
there.
my mom also got one from her work
Oh
yesterday.
yeah, I haven't seen it yet.
It's nice.
Okay, seatbelt.
I got it over.
We've got a couple errands to run. We have to go look for an axe.
Oh, guys.
That's right, I said an axe. And another thing we need to go get, because it's summer holidays for this one, and
I'm so hot right now.
I'm on holidays too, so there's a few things we need to get.
So, in this video,
Throwing on the fan, so it's gonna be
or
loud.
in this vlog or video, yeah, in this vlog,
Vlog.
you will see some magic because I'm starting to do magic.
I already started over that part because I already did it. I already put it in. So it'll come after
My
this.
mom just asked me, my grandma asked me, and I told them, but they're not going to tell anyone, and they're not even going to tell.
Okay, let's wrap this up. It is the summer holidays, and this one is on summer holidays. So I'm on holidays, so this is what I'm gonna need.
And he has
That's
a swollen
why
lip.
I'm here. What should I get? The woman driving behind me is on her phone, and she just went by a cop, and the cop didn't see her. But anyway, she's on her phone and she's riding my butt. So she rear ends me. I have video evidence that she is on her phone. She's holding her phone in her hand. It's plugged in.
Cucumber,
Yeah.
pickles,
No, thank you.
and mustard.
Mustard?
Please. Got it?
What kind of bread?
Lunchtime. Chicken rice. As I was vacuuming, I was too lazy to pick up my wife's undergarments, let's just say, and the vacuum sucked it up. So I've been looking inside the vacuum to see if I could see it, but I think it's gone.
Hi. So we're just walking into Allstate Insurance right now. That's where my mom works. So I have no idea why we're here, but we're just going here.
Here, you gotta get a straw. Straws. Let's go.